Hello friends, let us again today discuss the model answer for yesterday's question. Yesterday we gave a theoretical question, so we will discuss the model answer for that. Today we will again take up one case study for which we will be giving the model answer tomorrow. So now let us see what was the question yesterday and what can be the model answer for that. See, the question which was given yesterday was objectivity in decision making ensures both fairness and efficiency. Now, critically examine this statement in the context of administrative discretion and rule based governance in India. So, this needs to be answered in 150 words. Uh, Let us start the model answer and we'll discuss it. Now, first, we are going to define what is objectivity in decision making and then how it ensures fairness and efficiency, and that too particularly in Indian system, and that too when discretion and rule based governance will take up both. We will try to give some live examples. We will try to give some ethical theories, constitutional provisions, and all those things, including this model answer will be framed. So objectivity entails decision making based on facts, law, and rational criteria rather than personal biases or emotions. So this is the decision making, objectivity in decision making. That is, if you based on facts, law, and rational criteria rather than personal biases or emotions. It ensures fairness as per Article 14 and promotes efficiency in policy implementation. So here we are quoting Article 14 of the Constitution. And now next we are quoting an important thinker of 20th century, Max Weber. Now Max Weber has written a lot of books and articles on bureaucracy because he is one of the very key writers as far as bureaucracy is concerned. So Max Weber has emphasized objectivity as a vital to the ideal bureaucratic model. So this is emphasized by Max Weber. So this also we are quoting. Now, what is the problem in this? Because as you see in the question, it is said that critically examine this statement. So this is the basically question. So now, rule-bound action, pure rule-bound action can lead to bureaucratic insensitivity. So this is again important thing. As Herbert Simon, another thinker, we are quoting, observed in his theory of bounded rationality, real world decision makings often involve complex, value laden judgments beyond mechanical applications. So basically, what is being said is yes, objectivity in decision making is good, important. It ensures fairness to a great extent, but in certain situations, totally rule bound action can lead to bureaucratic insensitivity also. And in real world, such kinds of situations do occur. Therefore, the being totally mechanical rule bound application has to be moderated sometimes, and it cannot be only objective decision making. So this is what the meaning. So basically, if you see, first paragraph is objectivity in decision making, second paragraph is a criticism of this thing, or really at pointing out the deficiency in that whole system. Now let us see what is next. Mahatma Gandhi is again, we are quoting another thinker, Indian important thinker. Mahatma Gandhi warned against cold impersonal administration. So sometimes rule-based administration becomes cold, impersonal, mechanical. So this is a caution. We need to observe. He insisted, Gandhiji insisted that conscience and compassion must accompany law. As he said, a policy that is devoid of human concern is not moral governance. This is the statement from Gandhi. Thus, objectivity must not exclude empathy. So basically what we are saying, yes, objectivity is important, but this should be along with empathy. So both together form the ethical administration. As I have earlier also told, rule-based or legal administration is anyway required, but unless it is moderated by ethical views or ethical theories, sometimes it will become, as Gandhiji has told, a very cold and impersonal, mechanical, and sometimes immoral also. So it has to be guided by conscience and compassion and uh, basically empathy. Now, some examples also we'll see. Indian administrators like E. Sridharan, here example we are giving E. Sridharan, demonstrated objectivity in infrastructure delivery, while Vinod Rai, CAG, upheld objective auditing despite institutional pressures. Second ARC and Nolan Committee emphasized that objectivity must be balanced with ethical discretion and humane understanding. This is again important. Hence, now conclusion we are telling, while objectivity is essential to avoid arbitrariness, it must be complemented by Gandhian ethics, integrity, and contextual compassion to serve true justice. So, if we conclude like this, our answer will become quite good and impressive. We have used a number of ethical words and phrases. We have used examples. We have used ethical theories. We have quoted some key documents like Second ARC, Nolan Committee. We have quoted some good thinkers related to bureaucracy as well as the ethics. So this answer becomes a complete answer. Now let us see what we'll be answering tomorrow. What is the next question or case study which we are taking today? Now this is the case study. A global tech giant pressures your department to award them a smart city contract offering CSR incentives and political backing. How do you resist unethical lobbying without uh, stalling development? I will read it once again. A global tech giant pressures your department to award them a smart city contract offering CSR incentives and political backing. How do you resist unethical lobbying without stalling development? So, this question, this case study, we will be answering tomorrow. And tomorrow again we will take up one theoretical question which will be day after tomorrow, and this series will continue till October end, as I have already told. So thanks a lot for watching today's video. We'll meet again tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you.